So, here we go. Cool. Yes, so this is Riot. This is the standard Matrix UI. And what we've built is some integration with ESP8266, which is some like little hardware to do Internet of Things, and also with Tropo. And so first of all, do you want to make a call? So this is making a call through... the
last message was, hello from ESP8266. Excellent! What would you like to be reminded to do?
Take out the trash.
And so that's made a Tropo call. It's gone through the Tropo record API and then uploaded to Watson. Watson's given us back the translation, and it's now back in the room in Riot. And what's more, it's also in, hopefully, it's also on the display on the ESP8266. So you can see the bottom message, take out the trash, which just appeared. And so what we've actually done here on the ESP8266, this is just a tiny little microcontroller and with built-in Wi-Fi. And we've actually implemented a very cut-down version of the Matrix client on the ESP8266. So it's actually acting as what's called a UART, which basically means a very, very simple serial interface. So it just spits out messages as they come in. And then I've also got an Arduino sitting here, which actually sends that to the LCD display. Because we've got that technology, because we've got this kind of easy-to-use Internet of Things device, I can also build other stuff. So I've got a proximity sensor, which I've wired up to another ESP8266 with the same code running on it. And what should happen, hopefully, is... Yes, so it's currently detecting, I think it's the edge of the box, and saying someone's nearby. Hopefully, in a moment, it'll realise that nobody's near there, and it will say there's nobody there. Go on. Yeah. Yeah, so this is actually doing proximity sensor, talking to the ESP8266. There's a separate ESP8266, which is then broadcasting as different user. You can see it's called proximity sensor, and if I put my hand over it, it should come back as someone's nearby again. And again, this is all appearing on the display. That was pretty much all we got for a demo. We don't have a particularly great pitch in terms of how this is going to conquer the world, but I think it's great technology that you can use to build on. And with that in mind, we've open sourced all this stuff. So if I can find the right tab. So the Matrix ESP8266 module, which is a UART to Matrix interface, it's a bidirectional UART to Matrix interface, so you can send data in and receive data out. And then also the Arduino LCD thing, and also the Tropo gateway code. Yes, I think that was all we had to say. Any questions?
You said that's a hacked-down version of Matrix. Did you start from an existing client, or did it from scratch?
No, so we did it from scratch.
Could you repeat the question?
Sorry, yeah. Yes, so the question was, did we write the Matrix client, did we build basically Matrix client on something else, or did we write it from scratch? So we wrote it from scratch. It is pretty cut down. It can basically query for rooms. It can log in, it can query for rooms. It can send messages and receive messages. And that's pretty much it. So there's clearly a lot more to do. But I think those are the key functions that you really need for this type of application.
So I have a question, actually. You two guys came together to do this hack yesterday morning, right? So you formed a team at a hackathon. How did you divide the work up? How did you split the work?
Yes, that's a good question. So I kind of came along wanting to play with hardware stuff, and I don't know, was it you kind of wanted to do Java-y type stuff? So all the Tropo stuff is done using Tomcat and it's Java servlets, which is the area Yin Yee's been playing with recently.
Brilliant, thank you. Any more questions from the room? Okay, big round of applause to these guys. Fantastic.
Thank you.